What's up guys, it's Jake again. We're here at RW Carbon and we got our brand new RW signature lit for our shop G87. Today we're going to be showing you how we install that. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so once you got those 10mm bolts out from under the front bumper, this lip is actually going to come pre-installed with some 3M tape, and all you're going to want to do is just peel this before you install. Before you get it all set up on your car, then you're just going to stick it into place and put these bolts back into the pre-drilled holes. Alrighty, so once we got all these OEMs installed, you can see it's actually pretty solid already, but you're going to want to get your self-tappers that are provided in your order, and I like to just throw a couple around where there's a little bit of movement. You know, I want it to be completely rock solid. Just a few of these will do exactly that for you.